Bro,
why'd you let me do that?
I'm sweating for you.
So we stopped at Davis's dad's house. Thank you. Yes, sir. He knows I love hot stuff, so he got this.
Oh, there we go.
And we're gonna do a shot of it. I have a spoonful of it right here. We got a little chicken leg piece. Chicken leg. Here's the chicken leg piece. Ready?
How do you feel?
I don't know yet. I gotta let it kick in.
A few moments later.
Oh God, bro!
Bro,
Why'd you let me do that?
I'm sweating for you.
I don't drink milk, so I can't even drink milk to help this get better. I'm sweating.
Dude, you just got that shirt.
Oh no.
Now what?
It's tie-dye.
That's not coming off.
DIY tie-dye.
Dude, look like you got punched in the face.
It's not going away.
Yeah, have them chicken wings. Don't be shy, take them.
The chicken wing ain't gonna make it better.
You said it wasn't hot.
It wasn't until I took a spoonful by itself. It like keeps coming. Wait until tomorrow morning. It's gonna come out my butt.
You need a Father's Day update after.
You can kind of.